Lily of Titan, Mrs. Joanne Gap, to our honorable principal, Miss Elizabeth Ramirez, guests, delegates, faculty members, and staff, to our supportive parents, dearest classmates, schoolmates, friends, and fellow graduates. A blessed afternoon to everyone. We are gathered here today to celebrate another Girls and Boys Knowledge Center closing ceremony. It is such a great occasion in the lives of all of us pupils. It is also a good recognition for the outstanding work of the faculty and staff, and also a pretty emotional day for the parents. Just looking around, the happy smiling faces say so much about the environment in GBKC. We have learned so much because the school has its great value on community learning and fun. So thank you to our teachers, the love you have for us, shining school in our resorts. Thank you to all the parents who have really given their time for us. Looking ahead, we are now well equipped to take on the next part of our educational life. We have learned many priceless lessons. Therefore, fellow pupils, take all challenges. Being love, learning, be part of the community, love and all you can be. Because at the end, we'll be able to be proud of ourselves. In order for us to fulfill God's plan for us, we must step up in faith and follow Him. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Raj.